Hello students, I am Adesh Naik and welcome back to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today I am back with another topic of mathematics, that is BODMAS rule. So in this rule we are going to learn about order and operation of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So in this rule order is very important to solve complicated numericals. So let's begin. So what is BODMAS rule? Let's see. So the rule involving both brackets and order of operation. So brackets and order of operation is called as BODMAS rule. Now in this order of operation is very important. So you can see that here we have D, M, A and S. Now this D stands for division. It means that in a particular numerical, if you have all the things, that is multiplication, division, addition, subtraction as well as bracket. So first you will solve the bracket and then you will follow this order, that is first you will solve division. After division you will solve with multiplication. So multiplications comes second. After multiplication you have addition. And after addition you have subtraction. So I'll repeat it again. BODMAS rule is the rule involving both brackets as well as order of operation. And the order is in this DMAS. That is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Let's see a numerical to clear your doubts. So our question is as follows. So 35 plus inside the bracket 30 divided by 5 minus 3. So according to this rule, first we'll solve this bracket because B comes first. Okay, and then this order of operation. Now inside the bracket I can see that I have two things, that is division and subtraction. According to this rule, division comes first. So first I will divide this and then I will subtract. So this will be 35 as it is plus bracket as it is. So 30 divided by 5. So 5 6 are 30. So this is 6 and then minus 3 as it is. So we have done with division. Now we'll do subtraction. So 6 minus 3, this will be 3, right? So I'll write S for subtraction. So this is 35 plus, now you can open the bracket. So this is 3 and 35 plus 3, that is 38, which is your final answer. So I'll repeat it. First you have bracket, so you have to solve the bracket. But inside the bracket you have division and subtraction. So first I'll go with division. So answer of division is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3 and 35 plus 3 is 38. Now here we have both the things, plus also and minus also. The rule says that first addition and then subtraction. But here we have bracket, right? So first we have to solve the bracket, then remaining thing. Hence first we did subtraction inside the bracket, then we did addition, and hence our answer is 38. Let's see another numerical, and the question says that 16 minus inside the bracket 19 minus one more bracket 7 plus 24 divided by third bracket 6 minus 9 minus 3 and bracket complete. Now here you have three different brackets. Okay, so first I'll solve this bracket, then I'll solve this bracket, and at the end this bracket. Okay, so you have to follow same order. Now inside the bracket I can see that 6 minus 9 minus 3. So you can solve anything. Either you can solve 6 minus 9 or minus 9 minus 3. So this minus is for this 9. So 6 minus 9. So it is nothing but minus 3. Because we are subtracting bigger number from smaller number. Hence sign of bigger number. So in place of 6 minus 9, I will write minus 3. So here I have minus 3 and I'll write it again, all the things. 16 minus 19 minus 7 plus 24 divided by, now this is minus 3 and this complete minus 3 as it is. So remaining things you have to keep as it is. Okay. Now I'll solve this bracket. So minus 3 minus 3. So minus 3 minus 3 is nothing but minus 6. Minus minus gets added and sign remains of minus. So here I have minus 6. Again I'll write all the things as it is. So 16 minus 19 minus 7 plus 24 divided by minus 6. Okay, now I have single digit, hence I can open this bracket. So we have completed with our first bracket. Now the important thing is we have 7 plus 24 and 24 divided by minus 6. According to rule, first we have to go with division. So we'll solve this. Okay. So 24 divided by minus 6. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. And this minus sign will be as it is. Hence you will get minus 4 here. So it is 16 minus 19 as it is minus 7. And this will be minus 4. Now we'll solve this bracket. Now you have 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is 16 minus 19 as it is. This minus as it is. And 7 minus 4 is 3. Now we'll solve this bracket. So 19 minus 3. So 19 minus 3 is nothing but 16. This 16 and this minus will keep as it is. So 16 and minus as it is, and answer of this is 16. And 16 minus 16 is 0. So our final answer is 0. In this way you have to solve this by applying this rule. Else you will get different answers for this. So our next question is as follows. So it says that 28 minus inside the bracket 22 minus another bracket 7 plus 24 divided by another bracket 6 minus 8 minus 4 bar you have now. Okay. Now this 8 minus 4 bar, it means that, so 8 minus 4 bar becomes 8 plus 4. This sign of minus gets converted to plus. Similarly, if you will have 8 plus 4 bar, it means that it is nothing but 8 minus 4. Okay. So first we'll solve this. You have to keep this minus as it is. Okay. Only this 8 minus 4 bar. This and this. It will get converted to 8 plus 4. So I'll write 8 plus 4 in place of 8 minus 4 bar. So here I have 28 minus inside the bracket 22 minus inside the bracket 7 plus 24 divided by this 6 and this minus as it is. So 8 minus 4 is 8 plus 4. Okay. Now I'll not write 8 plus 4 as 12 because this minus sign is of this 8. So I'll solve this completely now. So minus 8 plus 4 I have. So minus 8 plus 4 is nothing but minus 4. So here I will write minus 4. So again 28 minus this 22 minus 7 plus 24 divided by this 6 as it is and minus 8 plus 4 I have written. So it is minus 4. Now you can solve this. So 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2. So this will be 28 minus 22 as it is minus 7 plus 24 as it is divided by 2. So now I'll open the bracket. So second is this bracket and this bracket. Now I have addition and division. According to this rule, first we'll go with division. So 24 divided by 2, it is nothing but 12. So 28 minus 22 minus 7 and plus as it is 24 divided by 2, I'll write 12 here. Now I can go with this bracket, that is addition of 7 plus 12. So 7 plus 12 is nothing but 19. So I have 28 minus, so 22 minus this 7 plus 12. So I'll write directly 19 and I can open the bracket now. Next, this bracket. So 22 minus 19, it is nothing but 3. So I have 28 minus 3. So this minus as it is, answer of this is 3. So 28 minus 3 is nothing but 25. So your final answer of this is 25. Okay. So our next question is as follows. So it says that 1 by 2 of 10 plus 9 minus inside the bracket 9 plus 7 divided by 4 minus 3 into 2. Now this 1 by 2 means, so 1 by 2 of means 1 by 2 multiplied with this thing. So 10 plus 9 minus 9 plus 7 divided by 4 minus 3 into 2. So this 1 by 2 of means multiplication. So multiplication by this whole term. So I'll write this inside the bracket. Now according to our rule, first we'll solve this because we have bracket, and remaining I'll keep as it is. So 1 by 2 into 10 plus 9 as it is minus 9 plus 7 is nothing but 16 divided by 4 minus 3 into 2. Now according to rule, first we'll go with division. So this is 16 divided by 4. We'll keep this minus as it is. So here we have 4 4s are 16. So this will be 1 by 2 into 10 plus 9 as it is minus as it is. Here we'll have 4 minus 3 into 2. Now we'll go with multiplication according to rule. So 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. So I'll write 1 by 2 as it is. 10 plus 9 minus 4 minus as it is. And here we'll have 6. Now you have addition and subtraction. Now you can solve. So according to rule, first is addition and then is subtraction. So this 10 plus 9. So this is 1 by 2 into, inside the bracket we have 19 minus 4 minus 6. So 1 by 2, 19 minus 4. So 19 minus 4 is 15 and 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is nothing but 9. So our answer is 9 by 2. So these were few numericals related to this rule. Hope so all your concepts are clear. Thank you.